Hey everyone, let's dive into something intriguing that's been making waves in the political scene. So why has Malawi's president, Lazarus Chakwera, jetted off to Harare just days before the SADC summit? And why is there such a buzz about it? All right, here's the scoop. President Chakwera has a reputation for stretching out his international trips. Remember last year when he went to the UN summit in New York, he arrived 2 weeks early and stayed another 2 weeks after it wrapped up. New York City, I get it, but Harare? That's raising some eyebrows. This time folks are questioning the real reason behind his early trip to Zimbabwe. Speculation is rife that Chakwera's visit might be more than just attending the SADC summit. Some believe he's there to get some tips on election management from Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa. Why the suspicion? Let's break it down. Mnangagwa's presidency has been mired in allegations of election rigging, with Malawi's own harmonized elections coming up in 2025. The timing of this visit seems more than a little coincidental. Critics are pointing fingers, suggesting that Chakwera might be seeking some controversial advice from his neighbor. Here's where it gets even juicier. Chakwera has imposed a travel ban on government officials to cut costs and save foreign currency. Yet he's flouting his own rules by making this trip. The opposition is having a field day with this one, calling out double standards and accusing him of wasting public funds. The controversy surrounding Chakwera's trip to Harare has ignited a storm of public anger and distrust. People are questioning his commitment to transparency and accountability. Is he really focused on solving Malawi's economic woes, or is there something more sinister at play? Let's put this into perspective. Malawi is facing a severe economic crisis. There are fuel shortages, soaring food prices, and a depreciating currency. President Chakwera has introduced austerity measures, including cutting fuel allocations for top officials and banning foreign travel. Yet here he is on a controversial trip right when his country needs him the most. Whether Chakwera's visit to Harare is about election rigging lessons or just poor timing, it's clear that it's causing a lot of unrest back home. The move has not only sparked criticism but also highlighted the challenges Malawi's government faces in balancing domestic and international pressures. So what do you think? Is Chakwera's trip a strategic move, or is he simply playing with fire? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the political world. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.